grillin' and chillin'. Denny's in command, serving up flavors, the best in the land. From ribs to brisket, his skills do shine. Master of the grill, every dish divine.
My cameraman swift like the scout from TF2, capturing the action with a speed so true. Directing the shots, making every scene tight. The video's a journey, a culinary flight. Bugs in his corner with the Colonel delight, adding core to the mix with all of his might. A genius with flavors, his creation so sweet. Bronx corn dishes, always a treat. The taste tester lady, she's got the say. Is it ballin' or fallin'? She'll decide today. With every bite she takes, her palate's keen. The ultimate judge in this cooking scene. Smoking, grillin' and chillin', the fire's always high. From smoky pulled pork to grilled apple pie, every recipe crafted with love and care. The taste of barbecue beyond compare. We marinate and baste, grilled to perfection. Each dish a testament to culinary affection. With flavor so bold, you'll savor each bite. Smoking, grillin' and chillin', cooking done right. From tender ribs to spicy wings, every meal a masterpiece fit for kings. With Bugs Core Creations adding flair, our kitchen's filled with delicious air. We light up the smoker, bring out the best, creating dishes that pass the ultimate test. With our scout like cameraman capturing the thrill, every episode's a feast of true grilling skill. Sizzling steaks and juicy chicken, smoking, grilling and chilling, always finger licking. With our taste testers verdict, every dish is fate. We cook with passion, nothing second rate. Join us in the kitchen for a flavor parade. On smoking, grilling and chilling, memories made. From Bugs Corner to Dennis Command, our culinary journey, the best in the land.